I wanted to show you some holiday marketing ideas for your cleaning and restoration company. Now, mostly what I'll be showing you here are client postcards for past clients, but also postcards and EDDM postcards to mail to neighborhoods, which are a little bit of a different variation. I'll show you some examples of both, but it's important to note that you should also be taking these same messages. We have templates with these same messages for mailing email newsletters and posting Facebook ads for these same exact things. It's important to use that as a campaign, not only sending the postcard, but also email newsletters and Facebook ads and wherever else that you might do this type of thing. Now, this is an EDDM postcard. It's also a client postcard as well. We have versions for both, and it's basically a message telling them that they can impress their holiday guests with clean carpet and floors. And obviously, you're the answer to that problem and that ability to be able to impress their holiday guest. It kind of has a sort of whimsical but also a top 10 list. Everybody loves top 10 lists, right? So talking about the different things that they can do, but also part of these things are things that they need to get done for professional cleaning with that. Then on the other side, 3 reasons why you'll love us and have a cozy holiday. And the 3 reasons are different guarantees and free cinnamon spice deodorizer. Don't get bogged down with the offers. You can change them to whatever you want to change them with, and also offers for dollar amounts off for various services. Then of course a deadline. And again, we have this for a client postcard, also a neighborhood postcard to clients that you've not ever done business with before. And this postcard as well, we have for both also. And it's almost the same kind of a theme, making a great first impression, because that's really what everybody wants to do during the holidays. When they have guests come over, they want to make a great first impression. And it talks about how important it is for the floor to look good, how important it is for the floor to smell good. And also with the client mailers, we talk about our referral program, because a lot of their friends and family are looking for referrals for cleaning companies during this time of year. So we want to talk about that as well. This is an EDDM postcard only. Now, sometimes we won't get into all the logistics, but an EDDM postcard has to be a certain size and has to have certain criteria. But this is a larger postcard. It's an 8.5 by 11 inch postcard, which too, with a larger postcard, you can tell more of your story because it's going out to a new prospect who's never used you before. Talking more about your guarantee, your reputation, more about what you're going to be doing for them specifically, and you want to take the room to do that. Also talking about the offer, the different reasons why they're going to love your company, and just reasons why they should be using you over another cleaning company. This is another EDDM that's been a great mailer for us, and basically it's kind of like a 5 around or 20 around. Sometimes we'll actually take clients, some of my members will mail these to 20 or 50 homes around the home that they just cleaned for in nicer neighborhoods, just letting them know that their neighbors just got cleaning done. And so now here are 3 free gifts for them. And then on the other side, we might even have a picture of the neighborhood sign. Sometimes we put the picture of the company's cleaning van, that type of thing. But if you can even customize it more to that specific neighborhood, it's even better. Letting them know again about your guarantee, why you're different, why you're better. Now we also have some area rug cleaning postcards. Now this has been a really good one that I used to do all the time that I loved. This is a picture of me cleaning an area rug at one point, and dressed up in a Santa suit, but a little, holiday poem. And then on the other side, we've got a couple of different offers where it's either a free gift to your past clients or to specific neighborhoods that you've already been marketing to and people that you already love, but an offer for free rug cleaning. Sometimes you can require that they have cleaning done. It depends on how you want to do it. A lot of times we would just offer it as a free gift to past clients. And of course, too, we sometimes have it where purchase is required. It really depends on the year and how busy we were. And normally this is something that we'd only send out like a week before Christmas when we already knew we were about to be getting slow. That was a really good offer because it would get our rug shop really, really busy. And that was a neat postcard. And then we also have a new postcard for just happy holidays, courtesy of our company, and, kind of a little whimsical, kind of funny, where the puppy is there, and then you won't get a puppy, but you'll get a fresh clean home. Free gift of free deodorizer. It has that. Now we can print these type of postcards for our members. We're printing the 8.5 by 5.5 inch postcards for 1,000 of them for around $95. And it kind of varies. The price varies on that. We can also mail them for you as well for around 28 cents per postcard, and then a small labeling fee to be able to get those labeled. But mail something. This is one of the best times of year to mail something to your past clients, and also too a great time to mail to the particular neighborhoods, in the neighborhoods where you really want to be the neighborhood cleaner. To get any of these designs, you need to be a member of my ad coaching club. The sign-up details are right below this video at www.hitmanadvertising.com/coaching. You can also call us at 850-474-1110.